Thank you for watching this video.
Hi, we're gonna do this unboxing video. She didn't let me do it, so we tied her up.
Yeah, he wanted to do the video with me. Well, he wanted to do the video with us, and she didn't want to share her Boxycharm stuff, so we're gonna do it ourselves. Hey, wait! We haven't even opened it. Can you relax?
I don't want to open it.
Oh my god, this is my first unboxing charm by myself.
I want to open it. Oh, mommy, you're really gonna miss all this. It's Hollywood glam glue. Glam glue? Glam glue.
It says glam glow. Excuse me. Shh. We're talking.
Glam
Can you believe
glow.
this?
Glam glow gentle.
It says glam glow.
Let me see.
Read it, hurry.
A daily conditioning cleaner. So yeah.
It says glam glow gentle bubble daily conditioning. Boom, boom. What does it do? What do you think it does?
Ooh.
What do you think it does?
I think it
How do you open this?
softens.
First of all,
Whoa! It looks like a unicorn horn.
actually this is pretty cool. Like those cars on Chance. Yeah, it looks like a unicorn.
Yeah.
Here's a glam glow.
Ooh, what do you think?
How much do you think this costs? What do you think it really costs? Something like this, how much do you think it costs?
You know how much it costs, right?
Well, I can tell you right now.
No.
How much do you think? Give me a number on this. Like if you were married, how much would you let your wife pay for this, Chance? Look at this.
$10.
$10? $10. If he was married, he would let his wife pay $10. This is actually,
$1.
excuse me, can you keep it down there? $28 for this glam glow. Chance, what's next in the box? Put it right
I
here.
still like this.
Oh, by the way, this is the stuff that we're gonna give away in that. As soon as we hit the 515 right here. All this stuff right here.
Oh, what the
Stop. Please, thank you very much. What's next? Come on.
Um,
Hurry before she gets untied. It says, I Illustrate.
Cream eyeshadow.
Ooh, cream
I
eyeshadow.
want to open it.
You want to open it? Open it. Hurry up.
I want to
open
open all of the stuff that's
Actually,
inside of the
Chance,
box.
you're ripping up the box. You open it right here. Like that. This.
Oh my.
Dude, I wish you could see these colors.
Wait, we're gonna like.
No, get away. Look.
Wait.
See that color?
We're gonna let her decide which ones she wants.
Boom. Maybe we'll let her touch it.
No.
She touched
we'll
it.
We'll...
I imagine that this is for your shadows of the eyes. So like you went to go party, right?
No.
No?
It's for eyeshadows.
Yeah, like if you go to the party, right, and
it's
you
sun,
party too much?
And then sun.
Like you go to the party and you party too much, then you put this under there to cover the raccoon eyes that you get. That's what it's for. How much do you think this costs, Chance?
$20?
$20. Is that what you would let your
Yeah.
wife pay for that?
Wait.
Wait, no.
How much is it?
Ooh, it's actually $22.
Close.
22. You were actually close. $22 for the little thing for your eyeshadows when you go party at night.
God, how?
You wear this at night when you go party too much and you just cover the raccoon things. What's next, Chance? Tell us what's next.
Steve, wait. Oh, it is Steve Laurent.
A Steve Laurent.
Okay.
Steve Laurent.
All of the stuff that we opened,
Is Sucky? Ignore her. She's not even supposed to be in the video.
Of course she is.
Yeah.
Oh my.
What?
You can keep this box.
Yeah, wait, just give us a second, alright? The boys are talking.
Yeah.
Right, Chance?
Boy power.
Boy power. I believe this is I don't know, it doesn't say what it's for, but me, in a point of view, if I open this
You opened it.
and I look at it, it looks
Like melted chocolate.
yeah.
Melted caramel
Oh
chocolate.
my gosh, smell that.
Let mommy smell it.
No!
Let mommy smell it!
Okay. There you have enough. It smells good. It smells like caramello.
And this is worth 31.
Actually, what is that? What is it called?
31.
Steve Laurent.
31.
It's $22. Not bad. Actually, this is a lot. I wouldn't go. I wouldn't go to the store to Ulta or Ultra or Ross and buy this. Excuse me. We're doing this video, me and you. Can it be a boy thing, please? What's next? Next, we have
Stop
this.
holding the things I want to hold.
What is this?
First, I'm gonna do it. Oh wait.
Read what it says on the thing.
It says Body Craft Pro.
Brushes.
I think it is.
We don't even need brushes. Brushes. I'm gonna throw them away. That's a lot of brushes. We have 2 of these for $17. I don't know if it's each or $17 for both. I don't know. Wait. There. You got enough. There, get away.
Stop it.
Boys. All right, so what's next?
This
is bubble gum.
really no.
It looks like bubble gum.
Yeah, it is. Oh, it is bubble gum.
Isn't it? I want some.
No. I get to.
All right, read it. Tell me what it is.
It's really fancy and it says.
It says
calorie.
Alamar.
Oh my. Oh wait, what? Oh.
Stop.
Let me
open
hold
it.
it.
Open it.
Alamar
Alamar
Cosmetics.
Open it. Open it to see. So is it a palette?
Don't.
It's to draw Indian lines. No.
Okay, don't tell us.
To brush your teeth. To get rid of your cheeks. To cover your eyes.
It's basically brushes for your cheeks.
So what is it? All right, so here it is. Alamar Cosmetics. Open it.
I want to do this.
Ooh, look at these. Oh, it comes with a mirror and everything.
Ooh.
It's tiny though.
And I also got this for my box.
So we have one color named Seclusion. We have a color named E-Slot and a color named Toasted. You want to sit down? We let you sit down. Go ahead, you can sit down with us.
Ah!
Here, we let you touch this. There.
So you can keep everything in this box.
All right, so that's everything in this. What box is this? April? May. This is for
March.
May box. This is the May box. Let me tell you what the total is really fast. I don't know.
30.
It's like 100. It's 22
30.
plus 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 17. A total of, boom. There it is.
Okay, well, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, comment down below if you want me in more videos with her tied up. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching! Now I'm gonna untie my mom so she can beat up my dad.
No.
Yep.
All right, we go. So thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.